P6 physics diodes. Diodes are devices that allow current to flow in one direction only. Now, if we're talking about one direction only, well, you know that DC, direct current, flows in one direction. So diodes will be mostly used with alternative current or alternating current, which means it's moving one direction, it's moving in the other direction, it's moving back and forth. Let's do diagrams and then probably we'll understand this better. This is the symbol for a diode, and then we have a circuit. We use a bulb as a resistor, plus minus. Okay, current is going through the circuit, is going through the diode from that part of the diode, and it's coming out. This is called a forward biased diode, or forward biased current motion. The bulb will be on, current goes through, current goes through, diode position means that this diode will have a low resistance. So when the current is going in that direction through the base of the diode, let's call this the base, through the base of the diode, this allows the current to actually flow through, so the current will be on. Now if I have the same circuit, but I'm just gonna change the position of the diode, plus minus, so the current is still going in the same direction as in the previous diagram, but now it's hitting the diode through the top, not through the base, not through the bottom. In this situation, the current is off. This is called reverse biased. The current off because the diode has very high resistance. So again, because of its position, it will have very high resistance. So these are the two positions. The diode can be in a circuit, it can be in a forward bias position, or it can be in a reverse bias position. If it's in a forward bias position, everything is good. If it's in a reverse bias position, current doesn't go through. Now let's look. So these diodes are used as rectifiers. What is a rectifier? Well, a rectifier is a device that changes AC into DC. So for example, if we have an alternating current, that's the positive, that's the negative, voltage, so it's going up and down. So the voltage, we have positive and negative values. This is the AC because it's alternating between positive and negative. Now that means in this circuit, current will once go through the base, one go through the top, through the base, through the top, through the base, through the top. Now we know when it goes to the base, it can go through. When it goes to the top, it cannot go through. So it's only going to go through when the diode is in this position, which will make our graph look like this. So when it goes through, current is allowed to go through. So for this position we get that curve. When the current wants to go back, well, it's not allowed to go back, so nothing happens on the bottom. Then it's gonna go forward again. We're gonna get the other part, so the bottom part doesn't happen. Then we're gonna get the top part of the wave again. So we formed direct current. Indeed, it's not smooth yet. It is a varying direct current, but diode allowed us to cut the negative part in this situation of the voltage and go towards a smoother current, which is necessary in some devices.